My name is Peter Andersen. I'm the CEO for Watersprint, a fantastic little water cleaning company working with UVC LED technology. Well, we solve a big problem. I mean, clean water in the world is really a big issue. I mean, 2 billion people in the world today is lacking drinkable water, clean water, and we take care of the microorganisms in the water. The technology is UVC, and traditionally UVC has been created by use of mercury. This technology generates germicidal UVC with the help of UVC LEDs. And it was actually such an important discovery that the 3 Japanese professors got awarded Nobel Prize in Physics 2014. The foundation of the units we have is, of course, the UVC LEDs. But then you have to have mechanics, electronics, optics, software, surface material to maximize the lightning, so the lightning penetrates the water properly for a maximum kill rate, as we call it. I actually thought that for a change, doing something that matters. I mean, clean water for almost a third of the population of this planet is something to be proud of. So I think that clean water and water management, water issue in general, are really becoming a big issue, a big problem, big challenge the world over.